Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Steam purchase history. Let's begin. So this is going to be very straightforward. You just need to open up Steam client, log into your account, and once you're here, I want you to click on your manage account on the top right corner. Click on it, then go to account details. Here, you will see lots of options. Just make sure you are in the account details, but by default, you will be here automatically. And then, boom, you will see a section view purchase history. And it should be something like this. This account doesn't have any games on it, only free games. But if you've purchased any games, it will list everything right here. And it should look like this. So you can scroll down and see the games, any soundtracks, DLCs. It will also show the discount price versus the full price. And there you go. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.